On the profile page, you must complete all fields with your information to unlock the next steps. So the first field is your profile image. Clicking this button, you will be able to upload your profile image like this, and you will notice that the error message disappears when I upload the image. You also have a field to upload company images, where you can add photos of your company process. In this section, you can upload the multiple images at once. So I will upload some images here about my production line and my enterprise. I will click in open. So all images were being uploaded here, as you can see. And once you fill out the remaining fields and click in the update button, your information will be saved and the catalog page will be unlocked. Another point is that in the company images field, you can include other informations like a QR code for WeChat or WhatsApp support of your enterprise, for example. So here I added this new field, and the users that see your enterprise will be able to access this QR code. And additionally, we have this view business card button that you can click and view how your visitors will see your profile. So here he can see all images that you uploaded, all your company data, and all description that you put in the previous page.